Ever find yourself staring at your growing list of digital assets, wondering if your trusty hardware wallet can keep up? You're not alone. One of the biggest questions when choosing a secure home for your crypto is, how many different coins can it actually hold? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ELLIPAL, a name synonymous with air-gapped security and mobile convenience in the cryptocurrency hardware wallet space. We're not just going to throw a number at you, we're going to explore the breadth of ELLIPAL's compatibility, understand why it matters, and give you the full picture so you can make informed decisions about securing your digital wealth. Think about it, the crypto landscape is constantly evolving. New blockchains emerge, innovative tokens are launched, and the ecosystem continues to expand at a rapid pace. What might seem like a niche coin today could be a significant part of your portfolio tomorrow. That's why the versatility of your hardware wallet is so crucial. You don't want to be stuck juggling multiple devices or constantly worrying about whether your latest investment is supported. ELLIPAL has positioned itself as a user-friendly yet robust solution, catering to both beginners and seasoned crypto veterans. Their air-gapped technology, which relies on QR code communication rather than direct USB or Bluetooth connections, adds an extra layer of security that many users appreciate. But beyond security, the sheer number of supported cryptocurrencies is a major factor in their appeal. So, let's get down to the big question. How many coins does ELLIPAL actually support? As of today, April 22, 2025, ELLIPAL hardware wallets boast support for a vast and ever-growing list of cryptocurrencies. While the exact number can fluctuate slightly with updates and new integrations, ELLIPAL currently supports over 10,000 different digital assets. Yes, you read that right, over 10,000. This impressive figure encompasses a wide spectrum of the crypto world, including major players like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Ripple, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Cardano, ADA. But it goes far beyond the household names. ELLIPAL wallets also support a significant number of ERC20 tokens, which live on the Ethereum blockchain. Given the sheer volume of projects built on Ethereum, this broad ERC20 compatibility is a massive advantage, allowing you to secure your holdings in countless decentralized finance, DeFi, projects, stablecoins, and utility tokens. Furthermore, ELLIPAL extends its support to other prominent blockchain ecosystems, including Binance Smart Chain, BEP20 tokens, Tron, TRC20 tokens, Polkadot, DOT, and its parachains, Solana, SOL, and its SPL tokens, and many more. This multi-chain support means you can manage a diverse portfolio within a single, secure device. The ELLIPAL team actively works on integrating support for new and emerging cryptocurrencies, often responding to community demand and keeping pace with the latest developments in the blockchain space. This commitment to expansion ensures that your ELLIPAL wallet remains a relevant and versatile tool as your crypto journey evolves. Why is this extensive support so important? It boils down to convenience, security, and future-proofing. Having a single device that can securely store and manage a vast array of your digital assets simplifies portfolio management significantly. You don't need to worry about the complexities of using multiple wallets or the potential security risks associated with keeping assets on exchanges for extended periods. Moreover, as the crypto space continues to innovate, having a hardware wallet that readily adopts new coins and tokens saves you the hassle of potentially needing to upgrade your hardware frequently. ELLIPAL's regular firmware and app updates contribute to this future-proof approach, ensuring compatibility with the latest blockchain advancements. To get the most up-to-date and precise list of supported coins, it's always a good idea to check the official ELLIPAL website or the companion ELLIPAL app. They typically maintain a comprehensive list that is updated as new cryptocurrencies are added. ELLIPAL offers impressive support for over 10,000 cryptocurrencies as of today, April 22, 2025. This extensive compatibility, coupled with their focus on air-gapped security, makes them a strong contender for anyone looking for a versatile and secure hardware wallet solution to manage their diverse crypto portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.